First, that emergency unfolding right now, what authorities called an historic lightning siege, setting off hundreds of fires. The governor of California declaring a state of emergency tonight, forcing thousands to rush from their homes.
50-acre inferno just roaring through Livermore's Sycamore Grove Park.
Families racing to escape flames pushed by heat and wind.
At least 50 families left homeless tonight. The lightning combined with searing heat, an awful combination tonight. And we have just learned this evening about a helicopter involved in this firefight that has crashed.
Near Vacaville, a city of 100,000 northeast of San Francisco, multiple fires are tearing through communities. More than 46,000 acres scorched. These wildfires are moving incredibly fast, turning this entire mobile home park into an apocalyptic wasteland. The dozens of fires here are grouped into what firefighters call complexes. There are now 4 burning across the state, supercharged by the weather.
California has experienced a historic lightning siege.
And climate change. Stanford researchers say the number of extreme fire weather days in California has doubled.